And we are done in Texas. We have just put up this beautiful boxable, and let's take a look what it looks like inside, and we'll be showing the VIPs tomorrow. And look at that, what an absolutely beautiful space. It is in fact a boxable. What do you get? You get a lovely kitchen, a beautiful bathroom, all contemporary, a great living room area, nice place to sit, nice fireplace TV which rotates so you can watch TV in bed if you're not looking at yourself in the mirror. What house do you know comes with a scannable code? By the way, you know you're a high-tech product, right? So, and if I sit back, you'll notice the sight lines go all the way to the back. We even have glass shelves so you can see to the back. Is that feng shui? I don't know, but it is lovely. We've got a lovely breakfast bar here on this Z counter. Absolutely fantastic. And look at all these lovely monochrome colors, mini splits, much better than regular HVAC. No germs or anything like that that you get in traditional ducts. Full-size appliances, giant fridge, and nice breakfast bar for two. Super nice organizer closet. And what do we have peeking out in there? Oh, look at that, boxable shirts. What a surprise. Nice queen size bed. How about that for 400 square feet? And all super organized, including drawers with rockets and spaceships. And pretty nice. I hope the folks tomorrow like it. I think they will. Looks like somebody was reading something in here. I don't know what that is exactly.